Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike from Twisted Axle Motorsports here. It's almost 60 degrees in Metro Detroit and I'm starting my season right now. Stay with me, make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of action coming up. It's gonna be a great season, so let's go. All right, sitting here in my Plymouth Scamp 1972. Dark green, actually it's F3 Amber Sherwood Poly. 318 40 over, Keith Black 167 pistons. It's got a comp cam in it, extreme energy. It's a RPM Performer intake, Holley 670 Street Avenger. Let's see, forward manual valve body with a B&M shifter. 8 3/4 rear end with a 391 gear and 27-inch tire. Fun little car to drive. Best time so far has been 1383 at the track. Hoping to go a little bit faster. This season we got a couple track days set up. Looking forward to that. A lot of different action this season. So for the people that are coming back to the channel, thank you. And for the people that are new watchers, remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let's see if we can hit it a little bit here. All right. Ready to do some cruising. So hang with me, guys. Smash that subscribe button, please. And we'll talk to you soon. I got a lot of videos and a lot of action for you guys, so you don't want to miss out, all right? We'll talk to you soon.